Clark here. In this video, we'll talk about the first question from the CED 2019, talking about the check digits to check to see if there's an error. So I have a class called check digit, and I want to make this method called public static int get check, where I'm given a number, and the number of digits is between 1 and 6, so it won't be larger than what 99999. It'll be at least one digit. It won't be negative. Okay, part B I can skip for now. This third method I'm going to use, implementation is not shown, but I need to use get number of digits that will return the number of digits, and I need to use get digit will return the first digit or the second digit or the third digit or the fourth digit or the fifth digit, so on and so forth. So what I need to do first is I need to, part A, complete the get check method to compute the check digit according to the rules. So what I want to do, I'm going to look at the example down here. So I have a number, 283,415. What I want to do is take each digit and multiply that digit times 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then get the sum of all of those. So add them all up and then return it. I don't want to return that number. I don't want to return the 106 or whatever. I want to return the rightmost digit, and the rightmost digit is the ones digit. So rightmost digit would be this 5, and remember, to get the 5, you need a %10, mod 10. Okay, if I had a number 213, the first digit would still be its times 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, and then there wouldn't be 32 because there's only 4 digits in this example. Okay, I must, if you look at the example, it says you must use, or the directions, it says you must use get number digits and get digit. So I was thinking about using a while loop, but because I have these two helper methods, I can use a for loop. So first things first, what I want to do is I want to get my result, my sum, set up at 0. And I don't want to return 0, that's just a placeholder. I want to return result. So even on the AP exam, when I'm writing it down, I want to first write the result. It starts at 0 because it's a sum, and then a return result. Oh wait, I don't want to return a result. What did I say? I said I want to return the rightmost digit. So right away I know the rightmost digit is whatever the sum is, mod 10. I got that taken care of. I got the third bullet point taken care of. Okay, then what I want to do is I want to loop through each digit. So it's going to have at least one digit. So I want to loop through starting at 1. And what's the length going to be? The length, I'm going to use this get number of digits method. So get number of digits. I'm just going to pass in the num and then I++ to finish off this for loop. I'm given num in the method header. And so what I want to do is I want to say get the number of digits of that num. And in this case, it would be 6. So I would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this case, it would be 4, so I would be 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't want to start at 0 because there's no 0 digit. Even if it's a 0, it's a 1-digit number. So now I have the for loop working. So what I do is I want to add to the sum. So what I want to add to the sum, so result plus equals, add to it. Excuse me. Okay, so I want to get the digit, so the 2, then the 8, then the 3. And the way to do that is just to call the get digit method. So get digit, and get digit, I want to check and look at it and says, okay, it needs a num, so I'll just pass in the num. Num is the same for all of them. And then the n is the position, the first position, second position, or digit, the first digit, second digit, third digit, and so on and so forth. Okay, then I need to multiply, so I'm doing this plus that plus this plus, and then I want to multiply in the parentheses. So this is like the parentheses right here. So now what do I put in this? The 7 to get the 6 to the 5 and 4, 3, 2, 1. So I know I is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what I want to do is I want to subtract, because the number I'm multiplying by is going down. So if I do something minus 1, I get 7. So 8 minus 1 would be 7, and 8 minus 2 then 8 minus 3, but I don't want to just put 1, 2, 3. I want to put that variable I, which is changing each time. And some spaces to make it look nice. So this right here, this parentheses, matches up with this 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2. Because each time I gets bigger, up to 6, and then 8 minus 6 would be 2. And triple check, multiply each number. So I got the multiplying. Add the products. Adding the products, I'm using get number digits and get digit. I don't need these parentheses, but I'll leave it there. And then I'm returning triple check. You return the check digit, which is the rightmost digit, ones digit. Okay. And so there's my solution for the first problem in the CED.